Hey guys, that was not fun. My power went off. So if you're like, what happened to you? That's what happened. The power went off. Fun times. And then it was like, it's not going to come back on until 4:30. And I was like, are you kidding me? Like, I don't understand this. Turns out everything's fine, unless it goes out again. Okay, so let me just... get back over here. Hey guys, sorry about that. Power went out. It is rainy and cold here, which I'm loving personally. You know me, I love the rainy weather. I love me a rainy night. And it was fantastic last night to sleep to the rain and wake up to the rain. That's okay. I'll leave that there. Okay. That was it. So that's, hopefully I'm going to put these two videos together. That's all I have. So it went out on a perfect note because that was the end of the sell and I was getting ready to go through my pre-order. But that's all that I have. So I scanned through my emails while I was trying to figure out what was going on. There are several emails in there for me to go through, and I just got my computer started back up, and when I get done here I'll start going through them and getting everything together and letting you guys know. Okay, so yeah, so let's go through my pre-order and show you what I got. The other thing that will be happening is I was waiting for my pre-order so that I could send out catalogs. So I'm going to put together the make and takes that are going to be for the catalog launch party. And I will be including those in the catalogs that are going out. Everybody's items that they purchased, as long as they pay, I'm shipping out a ton of stuff on Wednesday. So if you ordered this weekend and you got items for free, then, those will be going out on Wednesday. And then if you're ordering now, please pay me by Wednesday so I can do all my shipping on one day. Okay? So the catalog launch party that I'm doing is if you are getting a Stampin' Up! Catalog from me, that's the other thing that's going to start taking place today. I'm going to start sending out invoices for anybody who wanted the catalog that hasn't ordered from me. So, when you get your catalog, there's going to be a make and take project in the catalog, and that is going to be for our launch party on June 15th at 4 p.m. Okay, so I was waiting for my pre-order so I could put all of that together and get catalogs sent out. Okay, so the first thing I have... oh, Stampin' Up! Okay, and this isn't even all of the stuff I got. This is, the shipping with Stampin' Up! Is taking a little bit longer because of all the stuff going on in the world. So my stuff, I had 2 orders, and the one order just shipped today. And then this is an order I placed 2 weeks ago, okay? So the first thing I have here is the sunflower set. This is a set that we are using in the paper party. So if you are part of the paper party and you get the full package, this is one of the stamp sets and dies that you will be getting. The dies are beautiful. Like, these are so, so beautiful. The sunflower is gorgeous. And the great thing about these dies is you can use the die without the set, without the stamp set. You don't have to stamp it and then cut it. You can just use this. So that's fantastic. And this is beautiful. So this is one that we're using in our paper party. Okay, so the rest of this is cardstock and paper. I didn't get, on this particular order, I didn't get any other stamp sets. So here is what I really wanted to see. This is designer paper, and this is the new in colors. So this is beautiful. Look at these gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Where's that yellow in there? Look at this. So we have Midnight Moonlight. I think Moonlight, Midnight. What is it? It is Misty Moonlight, Magenta Madness, Just Jade, Cinnamon Cider, and Bumblebee. The other stamp set is a drink stamp set. It's a like coffee and cocktails, and it has beautiful script writing. It's Connie Stewart's $1 Million set. So I'm loving these polka dots. So that's the Moonlight. Here's the Cinnamon Cider. I have lots of tutorials, Julie, on just my videos. I use the Big Shot all the time. Is there something particular that you're wanting to know about the Big Shot? But I have, I have like 2,000 videos on my YouTube channel. And lots of them, I'm using the Big Shot. I use mine just about every day. Am I here, you guys? I thought I lost power again. Am I live? It says I'm live, but like, do I need to refresh? Like, is that the deal? Okay, yes, I'm still live. Yes, it's still happening because like all my stuff is going down. Like everything's crashing, but my computer's still on. Okay, I don't have iPad now, so it keeps telling me to reconnect. So you guys are saying you see me, so let's get through this before I lose it again. Okay, so then I got all the new cardstock. Right? All the new cardstock. So the plates, Julie, it's right on the plates. It will tell you. It tells you. All you have to do is look at the picture. And I think all of them are like that. Yep, all the plates are like this. It just tells you right there what to use. I have the magnetic platform, so that's what I use most. Okay, so all the cardstock, I probably should have got more cardstock than that. And then I got the 12 by 12 cardstock. You guys know I love my scrapbooking, so I got 12 by 12 cardstock. And then let's look at these designer papers, because if you're doing the paper party, I'm sure you want to see some of the paper we'll be using. This is Forever Greenery. I'm not sure, Julie, then. I don't know. I don't know how to help you then if the pictures are confusing, because I just go off the pictures, like whatever they say. I mean, like, I use the same plates practically for everything. Like, I don't really need to change my plates. This is the, ooh, I love this, In Good Taste. And this is the wood. There's more here. What's the deal? Why is this so much? This is more than... This is more than just the normal. I don't know. I'm going to have to look into that. So this is the paper. Oh, this is a good way to do it. See how beautiful? So one side is like wood grain. And then like one side is like textured. Yeah, there's like 24 sheets to this instead of the regular 12. Which I like because I like all the wood grain. That's pretty. There's a sheet on here. Let me find it. this one. This sheet was actually real tile that Stampin' Up! Went out and got and arranged and then took photos of and photographed it. Okay, so the very last thing, like I said, this isn't all of the items. Oh, good. Chris has a video that she's going to send you that she says will be helpful. So that'll be good. Sorry, Julie. I'm not sure. Like, I just go by the pictures. So but I'm glad Chris has a video that can help. So this is the World of Good. And this is really gorgeous paper. So it has foil. Thanks, Chris, for that. And then it has the foil. This is beautiful. Chris to the rescue. Ooh, this map one. You guys see this? This is why I always get all the paper. That is so cool. This would be so cool to use for Project Life. With the foil, I love it. Oh, and then look at that map. So that's really pretty. So that's literally all I got in this order. In my second order, I got all the ribbon that coordinates. I got some stamp sets and Project Life cards that coordinate with these items. And so I'll share that with you guys next when I do, when I get it. I'm hoping it'll ship soon and it will be here soon. And I'll share that with you guys. So thank you so much for sitting through my big retirement sell. I am going to start going through emails and emailing you guys and getting invoices out to you. And then, like I said, everything's going to ship on Wednesday. On the other side of my office, I have stuff stacked. Like, I have everybody's stuff stacked and ready to go. And then catalogs are going out on Wednesday too. The post office is not going to like me on Wednesday when I show up with all of the things. So I hope you guys are having a great day. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I loved hanging out with you guys like this. And I got all of my filming equipment today. So my stand for the tabletop came. It wasn't supposed to be here till July. So when my husband came in with the mail, I just went up there. My new stand is here. So that's going to be fabulous for Facebook Lives. So I'm so excited about that. And then my brand new video camera will be here tomorrow. And I have all of my stands to be able to film overhead shots. Normal again. I have all of that. It's all here. So this week I'll be able to like film again. It'll be so awesome. And I have pre-order stuff. So we'll be making stuff and diving in. And oh, I'm so glad to have all of that. It's such a load off. I've been so stressed out about the filming situation. I've been in tears several times because my entire business, the way I connect with you guys is all through video, right? So I have missed just being able to like get content out and share with you guys. And so I'm excited that all that came. So I have a mess to clean up and like kind of get back organized. And then I'll be reaching out to you guys in email. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful Monday and I'll catch you guys in email and I'll be back on Friday to create with you guys. Have a great day, guys.